Introduction to Algorithmic Trading. What is algorithmic trading? Algorithmic trading, or algo trading, is a method of executing trades in financial markets using computer algorithms. These algorithms are coded with specific instructions to automate the entire trading process, from identifying opportunities to executing trades. It allows traders to execute large orders at high speeds, take advantage of market fluctuations, and minimize human errors. The evolution of algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading has come a long way since its inception in the 1970s. Initially, it was only accessible to institutional investors due to the high costs and advanced technology required. However, with technological advancements and the availability of online trading platforms, algorithmic trading has become accessible to retail traders as well. Understanding the basics of algorithmic trading. The role of computer programs in algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading systems consist of several key components. Market data analysis in algorithmic trading. Benefits and advantages of algorithmic trading. Increased execution speed and efficiency. Reduced emotion and human errors. Improved liquidity and market accessibility. Strategies and techniques used in algorithmic trading. Trend. Following strategies. Mean reversion. Strategies, arbitrage strategies, risks and challenges in algorithmic trading, technological risks, regulatory risks, execution risks, popular algorithms and tools for algorithmic trading. Momentum-based algorithms, volume, weighted average price, VWAP, automated trading, software, and platforms. Regulatory environment and future trends in algorithmic trading. Regulatory framework for algorithmic trading, current and future trends in algorithmic trading. In conclusion, algorithmic trading has revolutionized the way trades are executed in financial markets. It leverages the power of technology to automate trading processes, increase execution speed, reduce errors, and enhance market liquidity. With various strategies and techniques employed, traders can take advantage of the opportunities presented by algorithmic trading to potentially achieve better trading outcomes. As technology continues to evolve and regulations adapt, the future of algorithmic trading holds promising developments. Whether it's the development of new algorithms or the emergence of innovative tools, staying informed and adaptable will be key to harnessing the potential of algorithmic trading in the years to come. Like, comment, subscribe, and visit our website for in-depth resources. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.